bottle art of a tree and a peacock. Hey guys, it's Natya and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am sharing with you guys this cute bottle art. For this, take a round bottle like this. And I'm taking the lid of this bottle itself. And I'm making gesso in it. So we all know powder, glue, acrylic color and water. Mix this all together and make a paste. Now apply this. This is homemade gesso and we'll apply this on the bottle. Apply it completely and let it dry. Now I'm taking this cloth and adding water on it. Now I'm taking half of a tissue paper here. Now make a roll of it. Take more water if needed. Make big, make small ones. You can also do this with clay, but I think doing this with tissue paper will be much more better. Now we'll start sticking all of these rolls onto the bottle using glue. First only I am taking the long one. Continue sticking all of the rolls. For this part, I am sticking tissue papers in a wavy manner, and for the middle, I am just making a squiggle out of a small piece of tissue paper roll. And keeping small pieces in both the sides of tissue paper roll. Let's keep on continuing this. And once you're completely done, you have to chop the bottom down and level it. I did it using a scissor. Now I'm taking Fevicryl's molded clay. Now make any random shape. Yes, any random shape. And put it on any of the branch. Make many of these. Now take any sharp object. I'm taking floral wire. You can take any pin or anything like that. Now I don't know how to explain this, but I hope you can understand by looking at it. Now I'm done doing all of the leaves and I had little clay left, so I quickly made this peacock, but I couldn't show you. Now I'll tell you how I made it. So first I made this tummy part with a small piece of clay, and then the head, and then these three things, and then I made the tail at the end. And the clay is already dry. Now we'll start with the painting part. So for this, first I'm starting with the trunk. First we'll paint the trunk and the leaves all in yellow. And then little parts of the trunk in orange. Blend it using yellow. And now put brown here and there and also black here and there. Now just blend the black with all the other three colors. For the leaves, I made this color by mixing yellow and blue because I was out of light green color. And now I'm just putting black here and there. I'll leave this color's name in the description box. So now I mixed my light green with this blue and just made that peacock shade. With white I made the eye, beak and the wing. And for the wing, before the white dried, I just put light green color on it. For the eye, I took my skewer and dipped it in black color and just did that. For the beak, I did yellow color, and for the peacock feathers, I used my 3D cone lining. And with black, I made the legs. Now I'm taking white acrylic color and I'm putting it on the side of the bottle, and now I'll blend it with teal blue. This is the same blue which I used for the peacock. I'll leave its name in the description box because I don't know how to pronounce it. I am blending this shade with teal blue and little white. I also used ultramarine blue and I also shaded that, and I did the same thing on the other side. That's it for today, guys. See you next time with a great video.